Alright, so this is my drone fishing attachment. Right now I've got two 1-ounce weights hooked up. One right there and the other one right there. And then I got my bobber hooked up just so you can see everything. And the way it works is this goes in, snaps in, and then when you give it a little tug, it pops off. That's what we're going to be testing today to see if that actually works. Now it's hooked in, it hooks in, goes in and out pretty easy. Just push it on, locks in. Alright, so we're testing the drone fishing attachment out. Once I take off, I'll point the camera down so that you can see everything. And what I've got, let's just use this thing to film it. There's the fishing pole. There's the bobber that you're going to see floating around underneath you. So let's get this back up, pointing up. Alright. And I have everything underneath the drone. Hopefully nothing gets stuck into props. There we go, take off. Alright. It's working. Everything's underneath the drone. Yeah, it's still there. You can see it. And are we still pulling cable out? Let's see. Yep. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reel it in. Oh. Took a picture. Now I'm just gonna reel it in and see if I can cause it to fall. Yeah. Boom. Bombs away. Look like a champ. Alright, so this time I'm going to hook it up from while it's flying. So there's nothing on it right now. Take it off. And it's a little windy. Just clips right on. Man, this thing's all over the place. Take off. Alright, let's get the camera facing down so you can see. Alright, there's our stuff. Let's go drop it. Okay, that is 300 feet out. Let's get a little altitude up. We're only at 20 feet or so. Okay, going up full speed. Up to 50 feet, it says. Let's go drop it. So let's go 300 feet out. much battery I got left? I got 49%. Okay. Oh, man, that is all the line right there. Okay, so let's try this. Let's just lock it. And I'm just gonna fly forward and see if it just drops when it grabs. Pop, and it fell. Perfect. Let's go find it, see if we can find it. I can't see it. But yeah, I just locked the, what do you call it? Locked the string, or the reel, and just flew forward, and it just came right off like it's supposed to. That works perfectly. There we go. Okay. All right, we're gonna do it one more time, and then again this time we're gonna do attaching the line while it is in the air. Okay, I'm gonna put the controller down. Lift it up. So that's the bobber. So I'm taking off. I'm holding the rod and reel. Going up, up, and away. And it's just zipping out. You can hear it. Let me see here how much we got. Actually, I'm going to fly it over this way just so I can stay up. Reel the line back in so it's off the ground. And I'm going to go drop it. Oh, not sure what I just did. I'm going to drop it up on the levee over here. That's full right. Full stop, and it didn't drop it. Okay, so it's locked. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take off forward with the reel locked and see what happens. Watch it. Pop it, and it pops it, and it's down. All right, do another takeoff and latch, and then fly. We're at 0 feet, 0 feet, 0 feet elevation, 0 feet away. Pull the camera down. Latched it on. Flying up. Got bit by a fire ant, that hurt. What is that? I got a tangle or something? Oh, it's just, what is with my string? I guess my string's tangling up. Alright. go. Full speed. That was a big turn. Okay, let's see where we're at. Where are we at? 200 feet. That seems good. Let's reel it in. Alright, so the drone is stopped. I'm going to reel in the reel. Reeling and then nothing's happening because I got so much string out. And bang. Boom. Bombs away. That is awesome. What does it say? Low battery, avoid landing. Okay, let's go. What's my battery at? I can't tell. Whoa, whoa. Come on down. Come over here. Whoa, whoa. So here's the drone fishing rig. It has an adjustable spring so you can adjust the tension on the clamp and the release pressure. And it's actually pretty easy, just like I was doing before. You just sit there and pull on it, and it lets go. And you can actually also use hooks. So you just take the hook, and you hook it on, like that. And then when you're ready, you just pull on it, and it just lets go. It's actually pretty simple and pretty good. I went and tested it a number of times, and every time it just let go. I would just reel the reel back in, and it would just pop it out, and it's done. And then to see what it looks like with an actual tail on it, this one, and you just take it, pull on it, and it just pops right loose. And you may have to set the tension depending on what size hook you got in here, because I loosened the tension up for this one because I was using the hooks, and the hooks feel about right now. But if you're going to use a bigger hook, you set the tension looser, and if you're going to use a smaller clevis like that, you set the tension tighter. And if it falls off too soon, crank it up. If it doesn't fall off easy enough, bring it down. Real simple.